Hey everyone, okay, so my Pipsticks came in and I am so looking forward to opening this. Oh my gosh, so this one is the kids pack, $19.25, and we get 15 stickers and a coloring sheet. I love it so much. This is beautiful. I love it. So that's awesome. Alright, let's see what this month's kit is. I don't get to see sneak peeks. I don't look at that stuff, so only because I can't keep everything in my head. You know, I just can't. There's just not gonna happen. So I tend to forget as soon as I think about something. So okay, let's see if we have anything that we can use. Let's see. Maybe this. I'm not sure if that'll work or not. Oh yeah, it will. It will. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? What are these? Is it a rat? It might be a rat. I'm not sure. I can't tell. Oh, these are bunnies. Oh, cute little pastel bunnies. Oh, look at this one. Little, oh my god, look at that one. That's me right there. That is me, you guys. I will claim that one like nobody's business. That right there is sushi, pizza, donuts, cupcakes, crumbles, cookies. So, why are we big? Oh, I don't know. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, the unicorn. Oh, I love this one. Oh, I love that one so much. That one's super cute. Okay, and this one is kitty cats. They're poking their heads out of planters. Planters. More bunnies. Bunny hop. Bunny hop. And then the floral trim. How cute. And we have ducks. Glittery, shiny ducks. One has a mushroom on its head. Oh, and flowers. How cute is that? And some pigs and some cats. How cute. I love it. Oh, look at these. The little frogs are adorable. Oh, I love it. And the mushrooms. You gotta always have the shrooms. Oh, look at that. And yeah, butterflies. Pretty, pretty butterflies. And we have, oh, chalkboard. Oh, it's a chalkboard. It's a chalkboard with this little chalk. And, oh, cute. And look, it's a whole bucket of chalk. I love it. That's awesome. Oh, and look at the scratch and sniff. Oh, how cute is that? And I love puffy stickers. Puffy stickers are so cute. It's a fairy. Oh, I love it. The snails. Okay, so that's the kid pack. All right, and then I love it. It's $19.25. Still loving it. Still gonna keep getting them. And then this one is the classic pack. Oh, it's a little one. I've never gotten a little one. Pippi got a makeover. That's what it says about this. A little note inside your pack this month. Join our VIP group. Oh gosh, remember how to do those, you guys? Oh my gosh, that's funny. I used to make those all the time growing up. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so this is the classic pack. And let's see what we have. I'm so excited. $19.25. And 15 stickers. I love the birds. Blue jays. They look like blue jays, but they're not. Maybe they are. Maybe they are. They look like it. They look like it to me. And then flower power stuff, glittery fun things. Galoshes. How cute. And oh, someone's holding flowers and yeah, all flowers. How cute. Oh, oh, and then this one you get a sticker. So that's cool, like a little vinyl sticker, like that. More cats, the kitty cats. Oh, and they're sick. So they have tissue, and we have love stuff, more flower power stuff. Oh, look, and a big girl. I wish I was a big girl that had a curvy, cute figure, but I have a body of not. Kids love that. Oh, the little minis. I love the minis. You get the ladybugs, the bees. Cute. Some shrooms and some snails. How cute. And another black one. That's cool. It's like a black vinyl, feels like. That's fun. I like that. It's very... Oh my gosh, this one is weird. That is weird. That is one that you're like, what? What is this supposed to be? Yeah, I don't really like that one. Oh my gosh, but it's funny. So it's something like I would decorate a card for my brother-in-law and, you know, send it as a gag card kind of thing. So there's always a use for things, right? Oh, look at these drinks. I need a drink right now. Yeah. So that would be nice. And we have last the postcard. Fun. Fun. Did I have any that were my favorite? Probably the drinks. Yeah. I think the drinks will be my favorite in this one this time around. So actually I like well, I've always liked the kids pack more than the classics, so that's okay. But I found one that I really like, so that's cool. Alright guys, we'll see you all later. Bye.